Hello and welcome to the SC Turtles channel. Today I'm going to tell you how I repaired a rather large hole in the muffler of my 2012 Polaris Ranger Side-by-Side. Step one, I just cleaned up the muffler a little bit and got the mud and dirt and things like that off. Step two is I cut the top and bottom ends off of a number 10 can. That's the kind that holds about a gallon of product. Step three, well, you can watch and see. One day on the internet I found the stainless steel zip ties, and I thought, boy, I don't know what I could use that for, but I'm going to buy them. Well, here's what I'm going to use them on. Wrap the can around the muffler. Cinch the stainless steel zip ties around the can, tight to the muffler. Here's the finished job. It works great. I've been running on it for a number of months now. Everything works good, and I don't have smoke coming out of that little hole. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel or even watch one of my other videos. Thank you and bye-bye.